Pyramid of Sekhemkhet at Saqqara, southwest of Djousers, was an attempt to build another such complex, but it was abandoned soon after it was begun. It is also called the Buried Pyramid and is an unfinished step pyramid constructed around 2645 BC for King Sekhemkhet, who was the successor to the better-known pharaoh Djousers, who was buried in his famous step pyramid at Saqqara. In Turin Papyrus, Sekhemkhet is given a reign of only 6 years. This accords well with his identification with his Horus name Sekhemkhet, whose pyramid never rose above the surface of its rectangular enclosure. The pyramid was previously unknown structure until in 1951 the Egyptian Egyptologist Zakaria Ghonim noticed the odd rectangular shape in the desert while excavating the nearby Onas complex. A 3-bar treble-coursed enclosure wall was first discovered, and by digging to its bottom, it was found to be 17 feet tall and 60 feet thick. Zakaria Ghonim later discovered that the wall further extended on both sides, 2 dimensions of 1700 feet in the north-south axis and 600 feet to the east-west, and was full of false doors and niches, as those of Djousers' complex. An unfinished set of galleries forms a U-shape around the pyramid underground. The pyramid itself was located at the center of the complex, with a base of 377 feet. It had only one step and was unfinished. There were a number of objects found during the excavations, including animal bones, demotic papyri, and 3rd Dynasty stone vessels. In decayed wooden casket, gold was discovered, which included gold bristles, cosmetics cases, beads, and jars inscribed with Sekhemkhet name. When the blocked wall was breached in 1954, an unfinished and undecorated burial chamber was discovered. In the center of the chamber lay an alabaster sarcophagus. It is unique in being made of a single piece of stone with a sliding door at one end. However, on June 26, 1954, after great difficulties to unblock and raise the lid of the sarcophagus was opened, and to everyone's disappointment, it was empty. The south tomb of Sekhemkhet was also discovered, or rather its foundations, and part of a destroyed mastaba, as this too was never completed. A wooden sarcophagus with the remains of a 2-year-old child, as well as stone vases and jewelry, were found at the end of the entrance corridor. Something happened at court that ended work, but the child in the south tomb isn't Sekhemkhet. Sekhemkhet's pyramid complex was built southwest of Djousers at Saqqara, and it includes a pyramid, a subterranean structure, and a necropolis complex. The name of Imhotep appears on a section of the complex enclosure wall. While the name itself contains no titles, and thus it is uncertain if this is the same architect that planned Djoser's step pyramid. If this complex was completed, it would have been greater and bigger than the complex of King Djoser.